Every year, more than 18,000 workers experience an eye-related injury that results in at least one day of missed work, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's not just a number. It could be your employee, your teammate, or friend, or even you. A chemical splash, a spill, a sudden sting in someone's eyes. It can happen fast. And when it does, you need to act even faster. That's why Eyewash stations are required to be within 10 seconds of where hazards exist, according to the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. In an eye emergency that directly affects you, act with care and confidence to protect yourself. Move quickly to the nearest Eyewash station. If your vision is impaired, do your best to navigate safely, keeping in mind that every second counts. Call 911 or loudly yell for help if you cannot see so others can make the call and assist you. Your swift actions in these first few moments can make a critical difference. At the Eyewash station, pull down on the clear activating panel to start the water flow. Lower your head until your eyes are directly in the Eyewash stream. Open both eyes wide, using your thumbs and forefingers to keep your eyelids open. This helps ensure the water can thoroughly rinse away harmful chemicals or debris. Flush your eyes continuously for a minimum of 15 minutes, as required by ANSI, to reduce the risk of lasting damage. After you have completely flushed your eyes, seek immediate evaluation from medical professionals to assess the injury and determine if further treatment is needed. Once the emergency response is complete, you or a coworker should notify your company's safety manager so they can contact their Cintas Eyewash service representative. The service representative will clean, refill, and test the Eyewash station to ensure it's ready for future emergencies. Day after day, keeping your employees safe is an essential safety practice. Equipped with the proper Cintas training and Eyewash stations, your team will be empowered to make quick decisions in difficult situations. Thank you for partnering with us to make sure your workforce can act confidently and your employees are back on the job happy and healthy. Because we've got your back and your team's eyes in sight when it comes to workplace safety.